Hi there, I'm Renita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will make instant egg noodles in two ways, in a microwave and in a glass stove. The process I have used is applicable to all the instant noodles family like Maggi, Nissan, Top Ramen and many others. I will begin with the microwave process. In a microwavable bowl, I have taken one piece of egg. I beaten it. I covered it completely with a plate or a bowl and microwaved for about 2 minutes 10 seconds. After 2 minutes 10 seconds, the egg was cooked. No oil was added, so it was dry. It didn't matter as it would be cooked with the noodles. I tore it into small pieces. To the egg, I added Top Ramen noodles 1 piece. Breaking it is an option. This recipe can be made very easily as a quick breakfast, lunch, snack or dinner while staying in a hotel, hostel, camp, dorm or even traveling. I added the spice that I got in the noodles packet. I added less than half of the packet of spice. I added 1 cup of water. I microwaved for 3 minutes 30 seconds. After 3 minutes 30 seconds, it looked like this. I added about 1/4 cup of water more. I microwaved for another 3 minutes to cook it to my satisfaction. After 3 minutes, it's done. Add spice as per your taste. I didn't add a lot of spice as it has a lot of salt in it. I added black pepper powder as per my taste. It gives a unique taste to the noodles. It's perfectly done. I will eat it like this. It serves one person. Now is the turn of the gas stove. I heated about 2 teaspoons of oil. I cracked 1 piece of egg in it and made scrambled egg. No need to add salt as the noodle spice will have a lot of salt in it. These processes are very helpful while making instant noodles in hotel, hostel, camping, etc. or traveling. The egg is done, so I added water 1 cup and about half of the spice. I boiled water and eggs for about 4 minutes in high heat. After 4 minutes, I broke the noodles. I have 1 piece of noodle here and I added it to the water. I cooked the noodles for about 4 to 5 minutes in high heat or till done. In between, I added another 1/3 cup of water. Add water if only it is required. The noodles must be soaked in water to cook well. It's done, so I switched off the gas stove. As per my taste, I added black pepper powder as per my taste. It gives a unique taste to the instant noodles. I served it this way. It serves one person. To this recipe, you can add some salad or sauce as well. If you found this video helpful, then please make it at home and write in the comment box how it was and which process you followed. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you have not already. Like, share and contribute through super thanks as well. I will be back soon with another video. Bye. Take care.